Hey guys, Miss Delito here. Let's take a look at how we can draw a line when we are given a particular slope. So again, to review, we know to calculate the slope of a line, this is our vertical length over or divided by our horizontal length. So when we take a look at our first example, we're being asked to draw a line with a slope of 2 over 3. So I know that 2 over 3 is representing that vertical length over the horizontal length. I can start by drawing a slope triangle with a vertical distance of 2, and I can do this anywhere on the grid, and a horizontal length of 3. 1, 2, 3. So I can see my vertical length and my horizontal length here is going to be 2 and 3. And now that I've drawn this triangle, the slope of the line is going to represent the hypotenuse of that triangle. So I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to draw the hypotenuse of that triangle and connect those points. And now I've drawn a line with a slope of 2/3. We can draw this triangle anywhere on this grid. So we could have drawn it down here, over here, up in this corner. And we also could have drawn a triangle that was any triangle with vertical and horizontal lengths equivalent to 2/3. So for example, another example of this could have been 4 over 6. So we could have had a vertical length of 4 and a horizontal length of 6. This is equivalent to that 2 over 3. So we can draw that slope anywhere here. So we've got a vertical length of 4 and a horizontal length of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then I can use my ruler to go through and draw the hypotenuse and extend that to draw a line with a slope of 2/3. So again, you'll notice the steepness of both of these lines looks the same, even though we use different triangles to draw those lines. So in our second example, we're being asked to draw a line with a slope of 4. So again, we know our slope is still our vertical length over our horizontal length. But in this case, we don't have a fraction. We just have a whole number here. So we need to think about, what does 4 look like as a fraction? And we know 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1, which means 4 divided by 1, and 4 divided by 1 is in fact 4. So in this situation, our vertical length is 4 and our horizontal length is 1. So again, I can pick anywhere here and I can draw a vertical length of 4 units. And I can draw a horizontal length of 1 unit and draw my hypotenuse to draw that line. I'll use a ruler to do that. And now we've drawn a line with a slope of 4. Again, we can really use any different slope that is equivalent to 4. So another example could be 8 over 2. So I can also draw a triangle that has a vertical distance of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a horizontal distance of 2. And again, I can use my ruler to draw the hypotenuse and the line with a slope of 4. So regardless of which triangle I draw, you can see that that vertical over horizontal is equal to 4, and the steepness of both of these lines visually looks exactly the same.